This is the home page of Norfolk Historic Map Explorer. We are going to use the Map Explorer itself, so we're going to scroll down to this blue button and click on Try It Now. It may ask if you want to allow Adobe Flash Player, in which case you need to allow it. We're going to turn off the help page, and then we can select the area we want to look at. You can either do this by scrolling up to the top here and in the bar writing the place name or the village name that you are interested in. Alternatively, you can look at the map itself and zoom in. So we are going to zoom in on this area, and what we can do is we can move the map around until we get to the place we are interested in, and then we can zoom in a bit further. So we've now got Mulbarton Common in the centre of the screen. We are currently on the Ordnance Survey map for 2014, and if you look at the left hand side you can see a list of all the maps that are available. So this includes the Ordnance Survey map, the 1988 aerial photograph, the 1946 aerial photograph, the first edition Ordnance Survey, the tithe map and the enclosure map. You can select a map by using this toggle here, which toggles the map on or off. So if we click now, you can see that the tithe map has replaced the current map. We can also change the opacity of this map, so we can overlay one map on top of the other. If we click on this button here, you can see that at the moment it's at 100%. Taking it down to 50 means that you can see the other map below it, the Ordnance Survey map. And if we look at the bottom, you can see how the area has changed by the map. We can see that where there were fields on the 1840s tithe map, we now have a lot of new houses built. Once we've finished with that map, we can turn it back off again. The other thing that you can do on this is to split the screen. So if we go up to the top, we can select split screen mode. This splits the screen in two and allows you to put two different maps side by side. The list of maps available is down here in the right hand corner. So again, it's the same maps, but you just select the one that you're interested in. Let's try the 1946 aerial photograph. You can see if you pick up the screen and grab it and move it along, you can move the area and both maps will stay the same. So you're always comparing side by side. If you want to get a closer look at the maps, you can hide both of the boxes. If you want to change the map, you just need to click on the arrow and it will bring the boxes back again. If you want to get out of this split screen view, you can do so by clicking on the exit at the top right hand corner here, and that brings you back to the original map.